Morning, folks. How's it going on this early Saturday morning? So I just had to run in Target and get some pull-ups and stuff like that, but I'm crazy distracted because I'm a little shook. I'm a little shook pleasantly. Check this out at Target. Check out Target, y'all. Black History Month, yes. However, did y'all see all these vinyls? Unreal. And that's not even a bad price. Do you see that? So, of course, Target. I am so, I'm pleased. I'ma just tell the truth. I'm a bit pleased, Target. And not only the music, y'all. Look at the cards. Look at this Kente. I've already been debating back and forth on if I was going to vlog today, but it's clear. Today is an absolute vlog day. Had a really good morning with my fellas and stuff this morning. Actually headed back to them now. I had to go get the car inspected. So I caught up with my uncle this morning. We got the cars inspected. Did a little bit of QT time with my great uncle. I love you, Uncle Kevin. You're so awesome. But yeah, did a little QT time with great Uncle Kevin. He's so amazing. That man is a doll. I love him so much. But yeah, now I had to grab pull-ups and I'm becoming very easily distracted. But I'm about to head to back to the house with the boys and stuff because we have lunch with family today and a lot of other good fun stuff going on today. So see y'all in a little bit. Get down. Get down. Jeez. I get home, everybody's on chill mode. Yes, honey. Who did it? Oh, okay. Can you get down? Me. Get down, straight up chill mode. Get home. Look what the hubby done get the sister up with. Daddy be on it up in this kitchen. Y'all won't understand. Hey guys, I purchased this light for the pantry from Dollar Tree. Y'all, look at this. This thing right here is no joke. So I'm about to put it probably on the ceiling up here, even though it's popcorn, so I'm not sure how that's gonna turn out. But I'm definitely gonna try to put it on the ceiling so it can like shine down on everything that's in here. Oh. Guys, what are you doing? Donnie, get your scooter out of the kitchen. Shawnee, that's not nice. Stop it. Say hey, everybody. We're about to play some Sonic and take a nap.
We're about to play some Sonic and take a nap.
Somebody's gonna be napping over there too.
Yeah. No, not napping over here. Yeah.
He will be dog tired. He can do the not go.
Do down.
Nap time. Hallelujah. Thank you, Lord, for nap time. This was my way of blockading the baby out of the studio. And he was like, fun obstacle course, Mom. Is that right? That is so funny.
Teacher.
See, here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. I don't know how he does this without toppling the whole drawer over.
Um.
How are you doing this? Oh, okay, he found something closer that got his attention. Excuse me, sir. Sir, can I have the eye drops, please? But you're in the drawer that you need to have nothing to do with. Like everything in there is not for Johnny. Oh. Is that right, Sean? I said gop gop. Well, my daddy said go. Okay, so now, daddy, do I look orange?
Yeah, I know it.
In person? I don't look orange. Okay. I just think that foundation is warmer than I'd like it to be. I might actually end up going and trading the shade. Is it because it don't look orange, but does it look dark?
It's just dark in here, period. Like, so I can really just...
Okay. Mama looking like an Oompa Loompa over here. Mama looking like an Oompa Loompa over here. Oh, look. This is what it looks like in the light. This is my hand. And this is my face. And of course, you can tell I have makeup on. Sorry about the camera moving, y'all. But, because there's a video on the new makeup that I have on my face right now. You want to see Nita too? We'll see if Nita's there too, honey. But, hey, Shay, turn around and get the seatbelt off your neck, man. That's scary.
I can't wait till y'all need to retire. I'm sending y'all out there for weeks at a time.
You hear that, Nanny? When you retire, they are coming to you weeks at a time. They're going to miss school. Just enroll them in school out there and out here, and we'll just correlate. We'll just correlate. But technically, that's why he's like that now, because of Nanny and the Papa. Oh, what'd you say? He said, well, you can deal with all this kid spoiling you did. See, Donnie want to be all happy and smiley. He say, but I don't know how to do that when my brother acting silly. So when my brother acts silly, I gotta act silly. So we can just act silly together. In progress. You can't have success in progress without sacrifice.
I'm gonna get a microphone.
Yeah, and you're gonna... Yes, baby.
I'm going to get something to paint.
You gonna get something to paint?
Yes.
That sound painting sounds fun. And she like to paint too, even though he acting stink face. What is it? Say cheese. And say, look at mommy and say cheese. Donnie, look at mommy, say cheese. Anna, you too. Say cheese. Donnie, look at me. He mad like that. Honey, if you drink Ninja Turtle, you'll take another nap.
I need to get some Ninja Turtles tonight.
Daddy said you have We're gonna make some green Kool-Aid. That's what we're gonna do. Look, guys, we're at hibachi. Is the soup good? That's my adventurous child. You want to taste your soup? Why you don't taste it? It's so good. Look. So.
That sour candy and all that stuff all the time. You get that He eats like he's an orange.
This will do limes like that. And that's a sour candy eater. Asha is a candy eater. Hello. You hear me on my phone ring? Hello. Yes, you are. You finished eating, sour candy eater? Don't eat off the table no more. Just eat the rice. There's enough rice on your plate. You're not missing them 3 little pieces of pieces of rice. Donovan, you finna have big trouble. Donnie. What time are you trying to get to Kroger? This woman, I said, what time are you trying to get to Kroger? She said, when I get there.
I'm going there when I leave here, so.
Zenny. Over here, boss. I already have the sour taste in my mouth. He hasn't? What? Shiny been chilling? Probably because he's with his daddy. Swimming. We have put together our luau. We have put together our luau. Donnie, you can't drag the whole luau, baby. There we go. Oh, doing the worm. Brew is flossing. Oh, he go get you. Uh-oh. Brew is flossing. He does look like he's flossing. That's so cool, SJ. And this is Donnie's gift. SJ's gift is the Nerf basketball. Where's it at? Minion. Spilled all the food. But see, that's why you got to keep it back here, Donnie. So when it falls, it doesn't fall all the way to the floor, okay?
Okay.
Let me find the pictures. Okay, so let's go upstairs and put your basketball hoop up. What? Need more. Yeah, let's make some food. Let me see, Donnie. Johnny said cheese. Welcome to our luau. Aloha, oi, aloha, You up at the top? You trying to put together to go. Now, where does it say you can clamp to? On the door? Oh, thank you.
Not on the door. It's going to go in Sean's bed.
Thank you. Oh, it's not. You feel it. What you doing, Daddy? Watching Nemo? Oh, talking to your homies. Okay, he need a diaper change.
Is that the new one?
Which one?
That one?
No, it's the old one.
What's the first one?
Nemo. So they're looking for Nemo.
Yeah, they're not finding Dory. They're finding Nemo.
Fun day.
I fell 3 times. She fell 1.5. 1.5.